assuming you're searching for Algorand cost expectations. Figure for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030 and sort of need to know where the costs of Algorand will sort of go from here on out. We will in a real sense break down the past costs of Algorand and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities and in every practical sense, significant way. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you really want to take this expectation and each extremely other forecast with the aim that this sort of is just the idea of some market master, examiners amazingly. Not to fundamentally specify foreseeing something so amazing in a real sense is totally unthinkable, which essentially is genuinely critical. Be that as it may, we will basically make an honest effort, or so they generally thought. How about we especially start? It basically was established by Silvio Macaulay, a Turing Grant-winning PC researcher, and sent off in June 2019. The Algorand group comprises of experienced experts from different enterprises, including blockchain, money, and network protection, which especially is genuinely critical. Algorand has various expected applications, including production network the executives, computerized character, resource following, and for the most part decentralized finance, which is genuinely critical. It has likewise been utilized as the hidden stage for the improvement of various decentralized applications in these and most certainly different regions in a kind of large manner. Algorand genuinely passed value examination. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Algorand sort of is 20 cents and ALGO fundamentally is at present position number 41 in the whole crypto environment, or so they essentially thought. The core supply of Algorand is 7,121,372,342 with a market cap of $1,418,460,287 in an unobtrusive manner. In the essentially beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been truly diminished by 3.07% in its certainly current worth. Assuming we analyze the ongoing business sector cap of the ALGO with yesterday, you can see that the market cap is likewise down. Algorand explicitly is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with all things considered, other crypto coins, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The ALGO certainly is down to nearly 7.22% over the most recent 7 days. The coin essentially is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for recent days. The coin could truly have major areas of strength for commonly at the same time. We don't really imagine that it would a productive resource and transient in an unobtrusive manner. Inside the in every way that really matters, most recent 1 month, the cost of a LGO diminished by 31.411%, wiping out an astounding normal amount of 9 cents from its ongoing worth. This unexpected down implies that the coin generally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it tends to be a decent purchase, a potential open door for speedy venture. The 90 days cost change especially is near 10.48%, and the cost circled from a sort of least typical cost of 22 cents to fundamentally most extreme especially normal cost of 23 cents in the beyond 90 days. Algorand is somewhere near 22.25% with the extremely greatest typical cost of the coin explicitly was around 33 cents and the truly least truly normal value of was around 28 cents and truly beyond 4 months. We especially foresee future Algorand cost expectations. A LGO figure by applying profound man-made brainpower helped specialized examination on the very past value information of Algorand in an unobtrusive manner. We for the most part do our sort of the best to gather greatest verifiable information for the ALGO coin which incorporate numerous boundaries like past value, Algorand market cap, Algorand volume and hardly any very more. Assuming you are looking to put resources into advanced digital currencies and truly need great profit from your ventures, try to peruse our forecast. Algorand Value Expectation 2023 according to the conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the cost of Algorand basically is anticipated to sort of reach at any rate level of 28 cents. The ALGO cost can arrive at a kind of greatest degree of 32 cents with the typical exchanging cost of 29 cents, which is very huge. In a huge manner, Algorand Value Expectation 2024 Algorand cost basically is conjecture to explicitly arrive at in a real sense the most minimal conceivable degree of 40 cents in 2024, which is very critical. According to our discoveries, the ALGO cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of 49 cents with the very normal gauge cost of 42 cents, which is very critical, which fundamentally is very huge. ALGO value figure for 2025 the cost of one Algorand is supposed to reach at in every way that really matters, least degree of 57 cents in 2025, or so they thought. The ALGO cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of 69 cents with the fundamentally normal cost of 59 cents all through 2025. Truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Algorand Value Forecast 2026 as per our profound specialized examination on certainly past value information of Algo. In 2026, the cost of Algorand basically is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of 85 cents, which is genuinely critical. The Algo cost can truly arrive at a greatest degree of 97 cents with the typical exchanging cost of 88 cents. Algorand Value Expectation 2027. The cost of Algorand is anticipated to reach at a genuinely least degree of $1.25 in 2027. The Algorand cost can arrive at a fundamentally most extreme degree of $1.52 with the typical cost of $1.29 all through 2027. Algorand Value Expectation 2028. According to the estimate and specialized examination, in 2028 the cost of Algorand fundamentally is supposed to reach at a sort of least value worth of $1.82 in a significant manner. The Algo cost can for the most part arrive at a very greatest value worth of $2.14 with the sort of typical worth of $1.87 incredibly, which is very critical. Algorand Value Expectation 2029 as per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Algo. In 2029 the cost of Algorand certainly is determined to generally be at around a base worth of $2.70. The Algorand value worth can arrive at a limit of $3.10 with the typical exchanging worth of $2.80 in USD. Algorand Value Estimate 2030. Algorand cost is gauged to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $3.96 in 2030. According to our discoveries, the Algo cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $4.77 with the typical figure cost of $4.10, which is genuinely critical. Algorand Value Expectation 2031. The cost of Algorand in a real sense is anticipated to reach at least worth of $5.92 in 2031, which is very huge. The Algorand cost could arrive at an essentially most extreme worth of $6.93 with the typical exchanging cost of $6.08 all through 2031. Or so they certainly thought. Algorand Value Expectation 2032. The cost of Algorand sort of is anticipated to by and large reach at the very least worth of $8.62 in 2032. The Algorand cost could arrive at an especially most extreme worth of $10.08 with the typical exchanging cost of $8.92 all through 2032, which is very critical. What amount will Algorand be exceptionally worth in 5 years? In 5 years, Algorand will have a really least cost of $1.52 and a most extreme cost of $1.25 per Algo, or so they thought. Since Algorand is exchanged on a market interest premise, its worth varies radically. How truly much does Algorand cost in 2024? The cost of Algorand will increment concerning all goals and purposes more financial backers engage in the venture, which is very critical. In year 2024, Algorand will be worth about a normal cost of 42 cents. What will be the Algo most noteworthy gauge cost for 2023? The Algo cost basically is supposed to fundamentally arrive at a most extreme degree of 32 cents toward the finish of 2023.